Okay. Hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, I know you can't. You can hear me. I can't hear you back, but I can see all your comments. So don't worry about that. If you're writing any comments, it's coming directly to my ears. So good morning everyone again. This is Amar, and today I'll be going through the session of workout session from WQ Social. So let me tell a bit about myself. I hope everyone is ready. I can see all your comments pouring in. So myself, basically, I belong from northern part of India, a place called Varanasi, a very famous place, but been in Bangalore for quite long, more than 16, 17 years, and I have been working in IT industry. And outside my IT job, let me tell you a bit about my background, why I landed up in doing this, not just passionately, but also as a second career kind of thing, more as a wellness practitioner or a wellness coach. So we all know the IT industry gives good cash. Yes, definitely initially it looks good, but of course later our expenses increases more, and then we feel it is still less. That's quite normal. But at the same time, what it gives is lot of lifestyle challenges because of the kind of job which we do, sitting job. And today I will not say only IT industry. Frankly speaking, today most of the jobs have happened like this, and it's not just about the job, but it's also about what kind of lifestyle we are living, what kind of knowledge I have so that I can keep myself healthy. And since last 1.5 years or 1 year plus, you already know how health has become important for us. So it took a turn for me also, but just that I was always into some or the other physical activity. So I never became a obese or very much overweight, but almost on the brim of the BMI to enter into overweight. And that's where I became conscious because I was moving towards my late 30s. And my body started responding back in terms of some of the other lifestyle challenges. And I happened to meet wellness quotient community through one of my relatives, and I got a wellness coach, and he helped me understand different pillars of being a healthy and also living it for lifetime. That's what attracted me, and that's where my journey started few years back, and it has been 1.5, 2 years that now I'm completely healthy in all terms, all my parameters, all the lifestyle challenges which I had due to my late 30s, and more than 1.5, 2 years I have been practicing it as a wellness coach, also helping people for multiple formats of workout. And that's where I present myself today to you for this fat burning indoor walk. Now, the most important thing, yes, last 2, 3 months back, the relaxation started in terms of the pandemic. People started going out. And again, last 15 days or a 1 month, again, the things turn up. And अभी सब लोग फिर से घर के अंदर हैं. If you see, हम सब लोग घर के अंदर हैं because government has asked us, and that's the best thing we can do because we have to maintain all this social distancing, sanitization, making sure that we are clean and we are not meeting anyone. And that's where I decided let's have an indoor walk workout. Of course, you might say it's a walk, but at the end of today, what you will see is कि हमारा walk will give you entire body. Your body will entirely be worked out. So you will have workout across your body, definitely your legs, your hands, your arms, your obliques or side belly जिसको कहते हैं, your core area, all these things will be worked out at the end. What you need, you don't need any mat, don't worry about that. अगर आपने मैट बिछा रखा है, आप चाहें तो हटा सकते हैं, आपके पास टाइम है. What you need is definitely a shoes for sure, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत सारा वर्कआउट लेग के ऊपर करेंगे, and I do not want you to get injured or at the end of the workout you feel some pain. So shoes mandatory है. Wear a comfortable clothes. T-shirt उतना टाइट ना हो तो अच्छा हो, थोड़ा सा लूज हो, that's better. And wear a comfortable clothes wherever you feel comfortable in doing some workout. जब भी आप कोई वर्कआउट करते हैं जो आपका कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ है, शूज वेयर कर लीजिए जरूर से जरूर. So that is what you need to start. Have a bottle of water, पानी का बॉटल या पानी ग्लास रखिए, and a towel क्योंकि हम लोग स्वेट भी बहुत करने वाले हैं. So you shall have a towel with you so that you don't need to go somewhere else. So our workout format will have, basically we start with warm up, and that is very very mandatory. क्योंकि वार्म अप अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी खुलेगी नहीं फॉर द वर्कआउट. So like we all have slept for the entire night, कोई 6 घंटा, कोई 4 घंटा, कोई 8 घंटा, and our body, जैसे हम लोग उठते हैं ना, तो it feel kind of sometimes you also don't feel relaxed even if you have slept. Why? Because हम लोग लेटे रहते हैं, तो body is in the same position, either this or this, which means body अभी movement start नहीं किया, and immediately if I start doing some workout, what will happen? I might give some hurt to my bones, या मेरे मसल्स को पेन हो सकता है, कुछ मसल्स सोर हो सकते हैं. That's where what we have to begin is we have to first always start with a warm up. And again, warm up हम कुछ 5-7 मिनट करेंगे. We'll do the warm up, then we will finally move to the main workout, and I will talk about that. So I hope you all are ready. Let me see some comments. Yes, I see a lot of people giving me comments. Good morning. Lecture के लिए live हुए हो क्या? Yes, definitely. It's not lecture. If you want, you will see all these things. So good morning everyone. Don't worry. बहुत लोग हिंदी में हैं सुबह सुबह. Very good. Good morning. So let's start our warm up. Correct? So you are all with me? Give me thumbs up. Yes. Give me thumbs up via chat. Definitely yes. You all are ready. I see a lot of comments in terms of ready. So let's finish our warm up. वार्म अप में हम क्या करेंगे? हम सारे अपने जॉइंट्स को ओपन करेंगे. जैसा मैंने बोला कि रात भर हम सोए हुए हैं, तो हम अपने सारे जॉइंट्स को ओपन करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ओपनिंग ऑल 5 जॉइंट्स. विल स्टार्ट विथ आवर नेक. ओके, सो व्हाट विल डू नेक रोटेशन. 8 टाइम्स लेफ्ट करेंगे एंड 8 टाइम्स राइट करेंगे. और इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन नेक रोटेशन, जैसे आपको गिडीनेस फील होता है, आपको किसी फॉर्म ऑफ यू फील सम चक्कर आता है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप लेफ्ट टू राइट, गो लेफ्ट टू राइट एंड अप एंड डाउन, लेफ्ट टू राइट एंड अप एंड डाउन. 8 टाइम्स अगर हमने एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कर लिया है, क्लॉकवाइज कर लिया, तो लेट्स मूव एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, we have to open our neck muscles क्योंकि हम बहुत मूवमेंट करने वाले हैं with all our joints and muscles. 6, 7 and 8. Good. तो अगर आपका ये हो गया, then what we'll do, we will move our joints, which is our shoulder joints. So what you have to do, put your hand here, bring your hands close together with your elbows touching and start moving your shoulder joint. Again, warm up को आप तेजी से मत कीजिए, बहुत आराम से कीजिए. We have enough time of an hour or 50 minutes more. We'll be able to finish in time. 8 times हम clockwise करेंगे and then we'll do anti-clockwise. Okay? 8 times clockwise, 8 times anti-clockwise. Continue with me. Do it slowly. That's very very important. Slow करते रहिए. Very good. अगर आपका ये हो गया, then what we'll do, we'll now open the joint which is our hip joint. Okay, so what you have to do, make your legs wide apart as per your hip and hold your hand here and start moving your hip. Again, make sure you are giving it full circle. That is very very important. Full circle मतलब hip जब आगे आए तो body, upper body पीछे जाए, जब hip पीछे जाए तो upper body आगे आए. Again 8 times and then anti-clockwise. We start with clockwise 8 times and then we move to anti-clockwise. Do it slowly, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. And when you are moving your all these joints, अगर थोड़ा सा आपको पेन फील हो रहा है, तो that's very normal because of the signs I told the entire night you were sleeping, so it was straight, and that's where it can happen. Let's move to the next joint, which is our knee joint. Again we'll open. Be comfortable, थोड़ा सा bend हो जाइए. Put your palms on your kneecap and start moving. Okay. Move again slowly, pull 8 times. Very good, very good. Let's move other way. Let's finish our warm up. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. Then we'll move to the last joint, which is our ankle joint. उसके लिए क्या करना है? आपको अपना leg थोड़ा आगे move करना है, एक leg, and start moving your ankle. You have to make sure that your entire leg is not moving. This movement is wrong. You have to make sure your leg is only ankle. आपका सिर्फ ankle move हो रहा है 8 times clockwise and then we'll move anti-clockwise. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go to the next one. Next leg. Again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anti-clockwise. Very good. 7 and 8. So what we did from top to bottom of our body, we opened all our joints. The muscles जो आज हम लोग यूज करेंगे उसको भी हम लोग ओपन करेंगे. So let's start again with our shoulder muscle. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हाथ ऊपर करेंगे, then the other hand. We'll do this 20 times. ठीक है? Let's do it. Again बहुत तेजी से आपको नहीं करना है. Do it in a slow pace. That's very very important. ठीक है? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. वेरी गुड. अगर आपने शोल्डर मसल्स का वार्म अप कर लिया है, फिर हम लोग चेस्ट मसल का वार्म अप करेंगे. ओके, चेस्ट मसल. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दिस इज अवर चेस्ट मसल. टेक योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस एंड हम क्या करेंगे? हम पीछे जाएंगे धीरे से. ट्राई टू गो 270 डिग्री और मोर एंड डू इट 20 टाइम्स विथ मी. ओके, अगेन go slow. You are trying to open your chest muscle and also your oblique muscle as well. 20 times करेंगे. 8 more. Do it slowly guys. कोई जल्दी नहीं है हमें. Okay, last 2. Good. And then we do the last one. Last warm up हम करेंगे जिसमें हम क्या करेंगे? अपने हिप्स के साइड का ओपन करेंगे मसल्स. तो हम इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? विल बेंड एंड टच अवर टोज. द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग यहाँ पे आपको सही से करना है. तो हमें जब बेंड करना है तो तुरंत नहीं बेंड करना है. देखिए तुरंत बेंड किया तो मेरा नहीं मुड़ गया. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू फर्स्ट पुश योर हिप्स बिहाइंड, देन स्लोली बेंड. ओके, एंड ट्राई टू गो वेयर एवर यू आर, हाउ मच यू कैन गो. कम बैक, कम ऑन योर टोज, गो बैक. 10 टाइम्स हम करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll count 5 and be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure first you're pushing your hips behind and then you're going. That's very very important. 5 times और करेंगे and then we are done with warm up. Good. And last 3. Very good. Continue with me. And the last one. Let's finish the last one. Good. Very good. I hope सबका लास्ट हो गया होगा. And we complete our warm up. Let me see how you are feeling. So by now, definitely you must be feeling very good. मतलब आपकी बॉडी में अब थोड़ा बहुत स्वेटिंग स्टार्ट हो गया होगा. वार्म अप की वजह से आपका व्हाट हैपेंड इज आपकी जो हार्ट बीट है वो धीरे धीरे अप होगी. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमें इमीडिएटली वर्कआउट में नहीं जाना है. हार्ट बीट को धीरे धीरे अप करेंगे. सो लेट मी सी सम कमेंट्स. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव जॉइंड. गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. वार्म्ड अप, वेरी गुड. सब लोग वार्म अप. लॉट ऑफ लाइक्स. कीप स्पीकिंग टू मी गाइस, because the current channel of you talking to me is comments, and when you are writing the comments it's coming to my ears. I'm going and reading it up. Yes, I see a lot of people warmed up. You might be feeling a little bit of sweat, or so that's perfectly fine. So now we'll move to the main workout. Okay, I think the timing looks good for the main workout. Yes, let's move to the main workout. हमारा main workout क्या होगा? Let me tell you. So it's completely a walk based. What I am going to guarantee you is you need a little bit place. ये आप रख लीजिए, मतलब 3-4 फीट लेफ्ट, 3-4 फीट राइट, 2-3 फीट आगे, 2-3 फीट पीछे. That is what you need. At the end of today's session, you are going to definitely burn lots and lots of calories. And when lots and lots of calories gets burned, आपका fat eventually burn होगा. Okay, that's what it happens. अराउंड 2 माइल आपका स्टेप्स आ जाएगा. तो इफ यू आर वेयरिंग एक्टिविटी ट्रैकर एंड अगर आपने ऑन कर दिया तो हैट्स अप टू यू. बट इफ यू हैव नॉट स्विच्ड ऑन द मोड, व्हाटएवर मोड इट इज योर एक्टिविटी ट्रैकर सपोर्ट, स्विच इट ऑन राइट नाउ, because now we are going to track कि कितने स्टेप्स आपके हुए हैं. दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड डेफिनेटली 3.2 किलोमीटर और मोर, सो अराउंड 2 माइल आपका हो जाएगा. दैट्स डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू हैपन. ओके, हम लोग 2 डिफरेंट हम स्टार्ट करेंगे नाउ. इट विल गो फॉर 17 मिनट्स रफली. विल नॉट गोइंग टू ब्रेक. द फॉर्मेट रहेगा कि अराउंड 15 to 16 एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे. ईच एक्सरसाइज 45 सेकेंड्स का रहेगा. 15 सेकेंड्स का ब्रेक रहेगा जिसमें आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Don't need to worry, बहुत simple है, so you will be able to catch it up. We'll take a half break and then we'll repeat everything again further and then we'll do the cool down together. So that's going to be our format. Okay. You don't need to worry about the timer. I will take it. I have a timer adjacent to me. So I will take it. आपको इतना चिंता करना है. Just be ready. So before I start, again give me thumbs up so that I feel that you are ready. Yes, Munavi Patel has written ready. Meena Krishnamurthy has told nice warm up. So a lot of people are commenting. Keep commenting, guys. हम start करेंगे. Okay. I hope all are ready. Yes, lots of learning about workout. Very good, Nishan Gupta. Thank you so much. So let's start. सब लोग खड़े हो जाइए. Stand up. Come back. We'll start with warm up. Okay. Yes. आपको music सुनाइए. So what we'll do? We'll start with a slow walk first. Okay. So let's start slow walk. आप जहाँ पे भी खड़े हैं, just start slow walk. We'll again do a little bit warm up before we move to the main movement. This is part of the main workout also, but we will move slowly. Okay. So continue. Now engage your hands. Okay. Engage your hands. You can hold it. Don't hold it tight because anything you are holding tight, in our case, we are holding the energy. तो हमें एनर्जी नहीं होल्ड करना है. आप खुला रखो. ओके. मूव मूव. लेट द हार्ट बीट ग्रो मोर. स्लोली स्लोली हार्ट बीट आपका ऊपर जाता रहे. ओके. कीप मूविंग. यू डोंट नीड टू डू लाइक दिस. डोंट वरी, वी विल डू दोस एक्सरसाइज. अभी आप स्लो मूव, स्लो वॉक. जस्ट कीप स्लो वॉक. ओके. विल डू सम चेंज. ओके. We are going to do some change. We'll move to the next workout. This is the first 45 seconds of workout. And now we'll move to the change. Okay, march on the spot. थोड़ा सा स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे अब हम. स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे. March on the spot. Okay, let your heartbeat increase. Increase कीजिए heartbeat. Very good. We'll do it for 45 seconds. March on the spot. Make sure आपका पूरा हाथ भी मूव हो रहा है and your leg. That's very very important. Okay, another 10 seconds and then we'll change. Okay, continue. Yes, very good. Good. Now we are going to change. In next 10 seconds हम change करेंगे तो आप slow कर सकते हो. The 15 seconds cool down is slow walk. बट हमें कहीं पे भी स्टॉप नहीं करना. आप स्लो कर लो. एंड नाउ विल मूव टू साइड स्टेप. वन स्टेप लेफ्ट, वन स्टेप राइट. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. ओके. एंड देन व्हाट विल डू, विल आल्सो एंगेज आवर हैंड. दिस इज व्हाट हैंड से. तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे लेग से बिकॉज फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कोऑर्डिनेट विद द लेग. अगर लेग का मूवमेंट हमारा सही हो जाएगा देन वी विल मूव टू द हैंड. तो कीप मूविंग योर हैंड एंड योर लेग. वन स्टेप टू द लेफ्ट, वन स्टेप टू द राइट. This is such a simple exercise, but just be there. You will feel the difference after a few minutes. Continue with me. Yes. With hand movement as well, guys. Yes, yes. Few more seconds and then we'll change. Good. Let's come back. Do walk. कभी भी stop नहीं करना है. Continue with your walk. What we'll do now is we'll do knee raise. Okay? Cross knee raise. और दूसरे हाथ से हम इसको tap करेंगे. High knee cross and then tap with hand. So the timer has already started for 45 seconds. Then start doing it. Cross knee. High करना है. Make sure you're high and you're tapping with hand. Now the best part you will feel is this is directly impacting your core areas. Specifically, it is impacting your lower belly muscles. And not only in the center, but also on the side. आपके side से भी impact आएगा. Okay? Very good. Hand को भी आपको move करना है, guys. The fat burning, you'll burn fat, all your subcutaneous fat, entire body. We're done with 45 seconds. Come with a normal walk. Increase the volume a little bit. Yes. Good. Come with a normal walk. We'll change again. Okay. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Forward tap. You see, you're tapping your heel. Heel tap forward. Okay, and then slowly we'll engage our hand. Okay. Forward tap. The best part of this workout is people at any age can do it. Either you are young at 12 age, my nephew, मेरी भांजी ज्वाइन की है, she is 12 years age, they can do it, or you're old at 60 years. What we'll do now, we'll try to sprinkle it. हाथ से थोड़ा और मूवमेंट करेंगे, like you are sprinkling some water all 4 directions, and keep doing the heel step. Heel step move नहीं, बंद नहीं करेंगे. The intention is you are also coordinating your body. Good. Come back in the break position. So when you are break, just keep walking. Now we'll change the exercise. Okay. We'll move to the next set. Next set क्या होगा? Forward. Wide step forward and then come back. Basically आपको करना क्या है, जब when you are going forward, little bend, when you are coming back, sit. Okay. And then now engage your hand. Engage your hand. Move wide step forward and then come back. See, again, this is not just impacting your leg workout, but it is also impacting your inner thighs. You are doing a little bit of a squat, which is very good for inner thighs. Okay, and then you are doing a movement as well. Continue with me, few more seconds. Come back, guys. Come in a break position, but don't stop. Keep moving, slow movement. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Skaters. You know skaters? This is skaters. Okay? Start doing with me, and now we'll engage our hands. तो hand to leg coordination भी बहुत जरूरी है. Now if you see here, the workout or the body part, your glutes are getting impacted. Your glute area is having impact of this workout apart from the other areas. So that's why it's a full body workout as well. Continue for a few more seconds. Yes, very good. And let's come back to normal. Don't stop, keep moving. We'll change the workout. We'll do a side leg raise. Okay? Side leg raise ये होता है. This is side leg raise. Okay, let's begin. Now once you are able to comfortably do side leg raise, हाथ को भी ले आएंगे. When right leg is going, I take my left hand and bring it up. That is what you have to do. So first we have to coordinate with leg, and then हम हाथ को. Very good. Now see here again your side belly fat. Love handles कहते हैं. When we walk with our wife or your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, तो ये love handles हम पकड़ते हैं. खुद पकड़ने में तो अच्छा लगता है, but the person you ask कि कैसा लग रहा है, so he will tell कि I don't want this. Okay, good. Come back to normal. Come back to normal. Very good. I can see a lot of comments. People are pouring in. Very good. Fantastic. Supercharged Friday and weekend. Very good. We'll change. Okay. We'll do power walk. Power walk क्या होता है? एक जगह होता है. Okay. थोड़ा सा bend कीजिए अपने आप को and start walking. The only thing you have to do is when you are going back, you have to make sure your entire leg is dropping, not just on toes. Toes तो हमारा मेन रहेगा ही, लेकिन आपका heels जो है वो भी touch करे ground से. Let's do it. Little bit bend and start moving. Don't hold your feet. Don't hold your energy. Keep it open and move. Very good. Very good. Yes, guys. This is the power walk. Very good. Few more seconds. And yes, we are done. Come back to normal walk. Okay, don't stop, guys. Don't stop. हमारा heart beat तेज हो रहा है. The calories are burning, and then eventually the fat will burn. Don't stop. Okay. What we'll do? We'll do leg curl. Okay. This is leg curl. You see, it's also called butt kick, but हम curl किस direction में करेंगे. And then eventually we'll engage our hand. हाथ को भी इंगेज करना आइदर दिस वे और यू कैन डू अप एंड डाउन. Okay, so we are engaging our shoulder muscle and engaging our leg, and this is again a good exercise for your thighs. जिनकी thighs थोड़ी ज़्यादा बड़ी होती हैं compared to और ज़्यादा मोटी होती हैं और more and you don't like it, you can try this exercise. It is directly impacting your thighs, your hamstring. Okay, and make sure you are giving impact, guys. जब हाथ नीचे ले आ रहे हैं तो impact दे रहे हैं. This will help the muscles which is on the side upper part. Let's break. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 2 step left, 2 step right. This is what we are going. Double side step and chest fly. So let's begin. 2 step left, 2 step right, and then engage your hand. Engage your hand as well, because that's where your chest muscles are also working. 2 steps left, 2 steps right. I hope you are able to continue with me. At any moment of time, अगर आपको थकावट लग रही है, take a break for 1 minute and join with me. We'll do a proper break after another 5 to 7 minutes. But अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो take a break and join back with me. Okay, good. Come back with normal walk. I can see a lot of comments. Yes, nice workout, amazing workout, Amar. Very good. Now what we'll do? We'll do knee driver. What is knee driver? 4 steps. You just learn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's continue fast. 4 steps है. Okay, and then we'll engage our hand. Let's continue engaging our hand. So right now I'm doing left leg knee driver. Left leg ऊपर आ रहा है, इसलिए left leg knee driver. इसको runner's lunge भी कहते हैं. 2, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue with me. Then we'll do right leg knee driver. And if you want, you can include some jump also. When you're doing knee driver, you can include jump. Okay? Let's break. We'll move the other side. Right leg knee driver. I don't need to tell you the steps again. Okay? Let's do. Okay? Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's include our hand. And try to jump. Little bit. अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो. जो आपका राइट लेग ऊपर जा रहा है, थोड़ा सा जंप कीजिए. Okay, I hope you learned this step, runner's lunge or knee driver. And please include your full body movement, guys. 10 more seconds. Very good. Very good. Continue with me. We'll change the steps now. Okay. We'll do a front kick. Simple kick. बहुत तेजी से आपको impact नहीं करना है. Simple kick. Front kick. And then eventually what we'll do? हम जब front kick करें तो थोड़ा सा अपनी body को पीछे लेके जाएंगे. Okay. So it is much more comfortable. And then slowly we'll include our hands. So this way. The leg which is going forward, the other leg hand include. Okay. Yes. Front kick. Make sure your body is bending back when you are kicking on the forward. Have some impact, guys. Very good. And yes, come back. A few more exercises. Very good, amazing walk session right now. Very good, very good. लोग try कर रहे हैं. That's very good. हम next move क्या करेंगे? Squat position में हम side करेंगे. Side tap. थोड़ा सा bend करना, बहुत ज़्यादा squat नहीं, थोड़ा सा bend. Side tap. Little bend and side tap. Okay. That's all you have to do. Side tap is the exercise name, but little bend करके. You can see little bend and side tap. Stand होके side tap नहीं करना है. Little bend and side tap. And then include your hand. The leg which is going behind, take it behind. Okay? Full body movement करना है guys. Very good. Few more seconds. Very good. Come back. Come back. We'll take a break in another 2-3 minutes. Continue with me. Super workout. Nice workout. Lot of comments. What we'll do? Knee crunches. Double knee crunches. Knee crunch क्या होता है? ये थोड़ा और ऊपर तक ले आना है. हम 2 बार करेंगे. Okay? Then change. Continue with me. Double knee crunches. Knee को ऊपर तक ले आना है. And then hands it. Change direction and do it. Yes. Continue with me. Full body movement guys. Again this is helping your oblique area as well. Side area. Belly का side fat भी घटेगा और lower belly fat भी घटेगा. And the last one. Good. Come back in the normal position. Okay. Last exercise, then we'll take a proper break. Last or last but one. जो होगा. Mostly it is last. We'll do a punch. Step punch. Step punch मतलब जिधर मैं punch कर रहा हूँ, opposite leg is going on the toes. You can see opposite leg is going on the toes. This is step punch. Last exercise before we break for the half break. Don't stop here. Punch properly. अच्छे से punch कीजिए. Okay. Very good. Few more seconds. Yes. You can move your waist if you want to dance on the song, but keep doing the step punches. Good. Very good guys. We're done. Let me stop the timer. Good. So half break. We take a half break. Don't sit. Keep moving. Take a sip of water. Let me read all the messages. Remember, during workout हमें ज़्यादा पानी नहीं पीना होता है. एक sip of water is good enough because your heartbeat is running. आप बहुत ज़्यादा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ भी रहे हैं और ऑक्सीजन ले भी रहे हैं. So from your throat, from your nose, so it is drying your throat area. Take a sip of water to make it wet. That's all. Let's go through some comments. Sweat out a lot. I would like to ask everyone, आप अपने अगर कैलोरीज बर्न किए तो वो चैट में लिखिए कितने स्टेप्स हुए, कितना किलोमीटर हुआ. If you're tracking it, put in the chat. Very good. 1700 steps so far. Very good. Prashant, awesome, Amar. Thank you so much. Very nice workout, Sunita. This is just lovely. We want more. Definitely, Mansi, you will get more. Be there for 1 minute. We'll take a break to give some relaxation. I burned 300 calories already. Wow, really nice workout. Good. Keep putting your chat because I want to listen how you are feeling, guys. मुझे सुनना है कि कैसा आपको फील हो रहा है. How are you feeling with this workout? Awesome workout. हमारा प्रतीक ने बोला 1700 किलो कैलोरीज. आई थिंक मिस्टेक होगा, वो 1700 स्टेप्स होगा. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. अमेजिंग. सुपर वर्कआउट. यस गाइस, कंटिन्यू विद दिस. हम 1 मिनट और ब्रेक रखेंगे. 11 स्टेप्स सो फार. वेरी गुड. कैलोरीज भी लिखते रहिए. यू सी हाउ मच स्वेटिंग आई एम डूइंग. स्वेट हो रहा है. मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट डूइंग दिस वर्कआउट इन अ फैन रनिंग. नहीं, इट इज हार्मफुल फॉर यू. डोंट स्टार्ट योर फैन. नेचुरल एयर आ रहा है अगर आपके बालकनी से. इफ इट इज क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन, दैट्स गुड इनफ. ओके, तो 250 कैलोरीज बर्न. वाओ, प्रशांत लथाने ने 250 कैलोरीज. माय 6 month baby is also enjoying my doing workout. Very good. That's good to know. Blessings to me. Very good. Anand Kulkarni, awesome. 1600 steps. Keep pouring in your chat messages, guys. This is a break, but it's like an official break. But आपको break नहीं लेना. आपको chat पे message लिखना है. You have to keep on speaking via your your hand. I will listen it. Okay. हम start करेंगे. If you want, take a sip of water. Will we start again? No change. If you are sweating, wipe it up so that you can do the next remaining workout. Okay. For me, it is more important because I am wearing specs. So let me wipe it up. I hope सब लोग फिर से तैयार हैं. कोई चेंज नहीं होने वाला guys. We'll exactly repeat all these 15 to 16 exercises. Okay. Come back. Let me start the timer. Come back. We'll repeat all the same exercises. Great workout. Wonderful session. Superb session. Very simple yet effective. Definitely it is effective. So that's the power of our indoor walk also. You really don't need to go out. घर के बाहर जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप घर में कर सकते हो, हर दिन कर सकते हो. एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल अदर फॉर्मेट्स. अगर आप नहीं जानते हो कि क्या क्या फॉर्मेट है, तो आप अगर पहली बार ज्वाइन किए हो तो आज द पर्सन जिन्होंने आपको इस सेशन का लिंक भेजा है, इसके लिए इन्वाइट किया, ही विल हेल्प यू टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर कम्युनिटी एंड टू वर्क ऑन योर हेल्थ. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस. So keep pouring in your messages. I hope you are good in time. We will start now. Yes, let's start now. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Let me set the timer. Yes, let's begin. Let's begin, guys. सब लोग वापस आ जाएं. Good. Come back. Let's start walking. ठीक है? Start walking first. Let's continue. Start walking. फिर से हम सेम करेंगे. Very good. Continue. Continue walk. थोड़ा सा हम स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे. Now this time guys, you learned all the workout. हम इस बार सारे वर्कआउट को थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाएंगे. इंटेंसिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे. ठीक है? वॉक करते रहिए. Yes. Now थोड़ा सा अपने नीज को ऊपर कीजिए जैसे हम लोग मार्च पास्ट करते थे बचपन में. And if you want, try to do some dance. What's wrong? Okay? Do some dance. It's a walk workout. Do some dance. Do with me guys. थोड़ा सा अपनी कमर को हिलाइए. Okay, you will feel good. Why not? सिर्फ walk करके क्यों बोर है? The same effect it is coming here also. Let's do some dance. Few more seconds and then we'll move to next. Very good. Very good. Yes, let's change. Let's come back to normal and then we'll change. Come back to normal. हम repeat करेंगे. Okay. Keep pouring your messages. Sweaty Friday, fantastic workout, very nice, awesome workout session. Keep pouring your message, guys. What we'll do? Side step shoulder. Remember? हम side step कर रहे थे और shoulder tap कर रहे थे. Continue with me. Yes. Again, सारा exercise हम 45 seconds करेंगे. And then we'll have 15 seconds of normal walk, which will be a break before we move to the next workout. Very good. I hope सब लोग already अच्छे से sweat कर रहे हैं and your heartbeat is already high. Just continue with me. Very good. Let's break. Come back to normal. We change the steps now. Remember knee tap. Knee tap. Let's continue this. 45 seconds हम करेंगे. High knee cross tap. Knee को थोड़ा सा अब इस बार high ले आएंगे guys. Impacting जितना आप high लाएंगे उतना ऊपर के muscles को भी impact करेगा. अगर आप normal करेंगे तो it is lower belly. But if you are doing a little bit more high, it is impacting your navel area का जो fat होता है हमारा, उसको center belly भी कहते हैं, उसको impact करेगा. Okay? And we can now move. थोड़ा सा movement कीजिएगा. Jump कीजिए थोड़ा सा. Because this is now we already learned. Jump. When you are moving high, jump थोड़ा सा. Give more impact. Very good. Come back to normal. Today is Friday guys. उसके बाद 2 दिन का हमें anyway weekend मिलेगा. अगर आप इंडस्ट्री में 2 दिन का छुट्टी होता हो तो and you have enough time to rest. हम क्या करेंगे अब? forward tap. Remember, forward tap, heel tap. Okay. अब हम थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे. Not simple heel tap, स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे. But make sure you are able to balance it. Don't run and fall down. बहुत जरूरी है. Forward heel tap. डांस स्टेप भी हो रहा है आपका. You are enjoying it. Okay. And workout. Your walk is happening. Your calories are burning. Eventually your fat is burning. 10 more seconds. Good. Very good. Come back. Come back, guys. अब हम क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट वर्कआउट. मेक श्योर यू आर ब्रीथिंग नाउ. आराम से ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट टायर्ड, लेथार्जिक. फील हो रहा है 1 मिनट के लिए आराम कर लीजिए. ओके. वाइड स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. रिमेंबर, वाइड स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. वाइड स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. ओके. वाइड स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड मेक श्योर योर हैंड इज ऑल्सो मूविंग. जब फॉरवर्ड मूव कर रहे हैं, यू आर बेंडिंग, बैक आ रहे हैं, यू आर स्ट्रेट एंड यू आर क्लोज ऑल्सो. Ten more seconds. Very good. I can see comments. Come back normal. Come back normal, guys. Yes, great workout. Fantastic. Great workout for start of the day. Come back. Remember, we'll do status. Remember status? Okay. Status. And then we'll involve our hands. It's all repetition, guys. अभी आप इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाना है. Increase your intensity so that the impact is more. Very good. Yes. Continue with me. Very good. Last 5 seconds. Make sure your full body is moving, guys. And we are done with this. Come back to normal walk. Don't stand, don't sit. Normal walk करते रहिए break में. We'll move to the next exercise. Okay. Remember side leg raise. Side leg raise. This is what we have to do. Side leg raise and the other hand up. Very good. Leg raise कीजिए. Come back to normal. Balance yourself and then leg raise again. We are just repeating, guys. So I hope you are able to do it comfortably now. I don't need to teach you steps. Ten more seconds. Very good. And we'll take a break between the next exercise. Come back to normal. Let me see the comments. Yes. Great workout. Very good. Keep pouring your comments, guys. Whenever you have the break timing, we'll move to the next workout. Power walk. Remember power walk? Imagine कीजिए कि अगर आप लेडी हैं, your wife, imagine your husband is waiting in the car and your makeup is still not done, and then you have to do fast and then you have to run. That kind of power walk, but you don't need to move forward at one step. If you're male, imagine your wife is asking something to help her in some household chores, and you are watching a mobile, and then immediately you got to know after third time she called and you have to run. That kind of walk you have to do. Okay? Let's do it. Very good. It is impacting your thighs as well, guys, and your glutes area. Very good. Come back to normal. Very good. Come back to normal. Okay. We'll move to the next exercise. What will that be?
Let me tell you, it will be leg curl. Remember, leg curl. We move to one side and do leg curl, and then involve our hand. So this, it also involves your chest muscles as well, your shoulder muscle, your back muscle. Okay, and then for your shoulder muscle, you can do this way: leg curl and hand up and down. This will help your back muscle. Very good. Yes. 5 more seconds. And yes, big break. Good guys. Second part का half कर लिया हम लोग. Remaining half we'll do. Now we'll do 2 steps on the left and 2 on the right. Let's do 2 on the left, 2 on the right. This is our next workout. Okay? Continue with me. And chest fly. This will help your chest muscles. Keep pouring on your comments. I'm seeing you guys. Very good. 20 more seconds. Intensity बढ़ाओ guys. What is the intensity increase? Let's move fast. Let's move fast. Because we are not doing it for first time. Very good. And come back. Come back. Come in a normal walk. Okay. पसीना हो रहा है तो आप पोछ लीजिए. Okay. Now we'll do knee driver. Remember 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's continue and include our hand. And you can also jump. You know, leg is going up. थोड़ा सा jump कर सकते हैं आप. Knee driver कहते हैं. This is knee driver left. और runner's lunge भी कहते हैं इसको. Very good. And few more seconds. We'll take a break. We'll do from the other side now. Remember, अब right leg knee driver करेंगे. Same position. Like this you have to stand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This way you can increase the effectiveness. So let's start. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue with me, guys. Last 10 minutes, and then we are done. We will have a very nice Friday today. TGIF, thanks God it's Friday. Last 10 seconds. And we'll take a break. Move to the next exercise. A video comment. Yes. White finishing makeup in the haha. Love the analogy. Very nice. इतनी सारी बुद्धि कैसे ले आते हैं हमारे भाई. Yes. Do the workout. It helps also your brain. Be very frank. Contact me how it helps. I'll tell you personally. Okay. We'll do the front kick. ठीक है. Front kick करेंगे. Remember. And again जब front kick करें तो अपने body को थोड़ा सा bend कीजिए. That's all. And we'll engage our hand. Okay. Remember engaging your hand. There are many benefits of doing workout, guys. It helps your mind also. Because अभी क्या हो रहा है, आपका हार्ट बीट तेज चल रहा है, आपके लंग्स तेजी से ब्लड को प्यूरिफाई कर रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं. So when they are taking the oxygen, they are moving to your entire parts of your body. It is going to brain, and your brain starts becoming more sharper and much more better. Okay, let's take a break. We'll move to the next workout. Okay, continue walking. Let's move to the next workout. Remember, डबल नी क्रंच था हमारा, ओके। और विल डू द साइड टैप, थोड़ा सा बेंड होके साइड टैप, रिमेंबर साइड टैप। थोड़ा सा इसमें आपको ब्रेक भी मिलेगा मूवमेंट से। डू साइड टैप, इट इज हेल्पिंग योर ग्लूट्स एरिया, it is helping your inner thighs and your entire body as well. Side taps, very good. I can see a lot of comments. Very good, guys. Engage your hand now. Last 5 seconds. And take a break. Don't stop, don't pause, keep walking on your steps. Very good. You do this side thing, it is also helping your oblique area. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, रिमेंबर डबल नी क्रंच, अगेन हाईली impacting your obliques. Change the side, do bar crunch. Make sure you are able to move your knees as high as possible. Very important. Now I start feeling the tiredness, but not completely. Okay, it's almost be done in next few minutes. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा लेथार्जिक फील कर रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड, एक्चुअली विल नॉट फील लेथार्जिक, योर एनर्जी लेवल इज अप, बट टायर्ड फील कर सकते हो, तो टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर 1 minute and join back. Very good. We'll move to the last 2 workouts and then the cool down. Okay, keep walking, guys. We're almost done. Let's see some different exercise ideas. Very good. Awesome workout. Good. The last one, remember, side punch. This is the last one. Side punch. Do it, guys. Side punch. Side punch. Few more seconds and we are done. Last workout, guys, and then we'll do the cool down. And yes, very good. You're completed. Clap for yourself. Give a tap on your back. You've done a complete fat burning indoor walk workout. हम cool down करेंगे, start करेंगे. Take a break. Okay. Take a break, guys. हम cool down start करेंगे. Give me 1 minute. To start the cool down, we are almost in time. Yes. Come back. 30 seconds का break and you come back and then we are done. Just cool down. Let me stop the timer. Good. Let's see comments. Awesome workout, nice variety, wow, superb. Keep pouring your workout steps. कितना स्टेप आपने किया, कितनी कैलोरीज बर्न हुई है? For me, it is 537 calories, 530 calories, sorry. Okay, it's a full body workout. Indoor walk, कितने स्टेप्स आपने किए वो भी लिखिए. Okay, it's around 4000 steps for me. Yeah, थोड़ा मैं पहले जगह था तो थोड़ा वो भी ऐड हो रहा है. That's fine. Okay, okay, 4300. We'll move to the warm up. Correct? सब लोग तैयार हैं? Okay, loving it. 27 steps so far. Very good. Drenched with sweat. Very nice, Prashant. Amazing. Let's come back, guys.
Let's come back with the cool down. I hope you can still hear me. Okay. Yes. So let's continue with the cool down. Okay. आप सब लोग वापस आइए. Let me start the timer and we'll finish the cool down in next 2 minutes. So the first cool down क्या करेंगे हम? पहले आप आराम से खड़े हो जाइए. Stand like this and start doing some bend exercise. Do with me. Bend कीजिए थोड़ा सा. Okay. Bend कीजिए. Very good. Okay, bend with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Bend on the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Okay. Let the energy flow slowly. Let your heart beat धीरे-धीरे slow होने दीजिए. धीरे-धीरे. Let it go. Slowly come back to normal. Okay. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? Make sure your legs are wide. Turn one legs and touch it. Touch with your hand. Don't force it. जितना आप नीचे जा सकते हो उतना नीचे जाइए. Touch the toes. You want to put the other hand on knees so that you bend down. Make sure your both knees are straight. Okay. Come back in the same position and then the other leg. Touch it. Very good. Slowly guys, आपको hamstring में यहाँ पे help मिलेगा. That's perfectly fine. यहाँ पे pain हो रहा है hamstring में. That's perfectly fine. That is normal. We're stretching it. That's what we are doing it. Okay. The next one, I love this workout. Interlock your hand, bend it, and just move slowly. Very simple. Just move slowly. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Very good. Now we'll do some quadricep. अपने quadricep के लिए हम थोड़ा सा pull down करेंगे. Okay. What you want? If you can't hold it, then take a support of a leg. Hold your legs. Okay. पूरे अच्छे से tight. ज़्यादा दूर ना हो. If you can hold it without that, that's fine. Take a support of your other hand and hold it. Okay. Or take a leg. Don't make it like this. Just hold it tight. Okay. Come back to the other leg. Get to the other leg now. Okay. Hold it tight. Make sure you are pulling the leg to your thighs area. Other hand से आप दीवार का support ले सकते हैं. Pull it tight. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Then what we'll do, the last warm up. I love it. हम क्या करेंगे? We release all our negative energy. जो भी sweat आ रहा है release करेंगे. हम release करेंगे. This is last pull down. Take this. Then again 2 times. Inhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Last time. And very good. I think that's all I had for today, guys. It was wonderful working with you. Okay, as you know, I'd like to take this opportunity to the WP community to give me this opportunity to do this workout session. Really thankful to work WP community Wellness Quotient is called. We have a Facebook page. You can search Wellness Quotient and get some more ideas. We work on a holistic pillar of wellness. The most important thing today is you burn a lot of fat, lot of calories, which eventually burn a lot of fat. But your fat burning will continue for next 3 to 4 hours. So you have to make sure कि जो भी आप breakfast ले रहे हैं वो protein rich होना बहुत जरूरी है. Means 70 to 80% of your breakfast shall be protein. That's where it will help your body to not bring the fat back, but more about building those lost fat into muscles. That's where it will help. So I think that's all I want to talk. I would be signing off in next few seconds. Let me read some comments. Yes, wonderful session. Thanks a lot. Awesome workout. Very energetic. Definitely you feel energetic. Today is Friday. Thanks God it's Friday. Lot of comments. Very good. Keep pouring your comments, guys. Make sure about your session. Remember what I told about breakfast. And I think I will be signing off now. Have a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much.